ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fola Daniel Adelesi, also known as Fola Daniel Speaks, and I'll be your compere for today. To get started right now, please, media, you would help us with the national anthem. And I'd want to crave your indulgence to please rise for the national anthem.
So there are many things to learn, both from success and failure. But we are completely on your side, but you must own it. I wish you every strength and success. Thank you.
Can we do better than that, please? Let's appreciate our keynote speaker. The Right Honorable Nicod, Chair, the Global Steering Group for Impact Investment, GSG, and former UK Member of Parliament and Government Minister. Thank you once again for being here. All right, just a quick announcement again. We'll proceed now for lunch, but please let's do it in an orderly fashion. Let's allow our guest speakers, our invited guests, our panelists to first of all proceed for lunch. They will be ushered to the VIP lounge right behind this hall. Please, let's allow them proceed for lunch now.